Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. A little bit further along, got the exhaust together. Sounds pretty good. So much for high temperature paint. A little bit louder than I wanted to. A little bit louder than I wanted it to be, but it is what it is. I can always change the mufflers afterwards. Alright, disconnected. Yep. Gotta do the wiring. I still haven't done the wiring yet. But it's closer. Have to make an alternator bracket and get that together. Put the shifter in. I'm not happy about the shifter. It's too tall. I used that shifter before, but I don't really like it that much. Let's take a look under it. I may change the tailpipes afterwards. I'm not really crazy about the angle they're at. That's the only way I can get them to fit around the fuel tank. Disregard the zip ties on the tailpipes. I'm buying clamps tomorrow. Or hangers, rather. So let's take a look at the exhaust. I think it came out pretty good. True dual exhaust with a crossover H pipe. It's 2-inch. The high temperature coating, that sucks. Don't use that. Or high temperature paint rather. It already peeled off. There you go. There's the dual exhaust. Alright, stay tuned. It should be running pretty soon or driving pretty soon.